back with another new poem. It's entitled Wifey and Matey Saga. Can believe this wifey and matey saga is side chick thing and mash up the whole of Jamaica. Wifey and matey saga. What a piece of drama. Wanna come look here. Wifey and matey saga, me say, and mash up the whole of Jamaica. Woman, full time now, uno fi start make man. Turn no uno in a side chick. Uno hear this? Enough wanna lose them life for the sake of being a side chick. Wifey and matey saga. What a piece of drama. Uno come look here. Wifey and matey saga, me say, and mash up the whole of Jamaica. You see this slogan about take people, man. It a cause a whole heap of banger on. It a cause a whole heap of division in a marriage and relationship. You know, enough husband and wife broke up because of this. Wifey and matey saga. What a piece of drama. Uno come look here. Wifey and matey saga, me say, and mash up the whole of Jamaica. Me say, wife, uno for stop make uno husband side man make no war. And strive. If the man no want you, him just no want you. You could have dressed up in a G-string, tie him with stew peas and oxtail till him belly bust. Be walking trophy, kangaroo stick or dolly or Barbie. Him still have find himself attractive to our next catty. Wifey and matey saga. What a piece of drama. Wanna come look here. Wifey and matey saga. It a mash up the whole of Jamaica. Hey, Mr. Man, you see if your eye can't stay, if your eyes them can't stay upon one woman, Lord, the marriage thing alone, it better you go out there and go lost than in a marriage. Wifey and matey saga. What a piece of drama. Me say wifey and matey saga. It a mash up the whole of Jamaica. Yo, matey, leave people man alone. Cause you have some psycho jealous wife out there. Them go down on them knees and acid you for them husband. Wifey and matey saga. What a piece of drama. Me say wifey and matey saga. It and mash up the whole of Jamaica. Me say wifey and matey saga. It a cause a whole heap of problem on social media. Husband a get exposed. Ex-woman a expose man on TikTok and Facebook. So me say wifey and matey saga. What a piece of drama. Wifey and matey saga. It a mash up the whole of Jamaica. So me say, yo, woman, you see if you no want free from a lot of crosses, stop being a side chick.